your house has smelled good for 3 days and 3 nights. Even your neighbors will smell the smell. With this tip, the smell of your house will never be the same again. And for that, we'll need a lemon, preferably this type here, because it's more acidic and will be better for our tip. First, let's cut the lemon. Make 2 cuts. Like that, like an X, but you won't make it until the end. Leave it like that, okay? Now we're going to need this little plastic pot. But if you don't have one, you can use a glass. Like this, you will have the lemon cut. And put it here, in the pot. And it will stay like that. And here, I'm going to use 3 pots because I'm going to make each one with a different function and flavor. Now we will need some coarse salt, just 1 spoonful is enough. Placed in the middle of the lemon. Do this for all 3 lemons, okay? And in one of these 3, we will use alcohol vinegar. The vinegar is very important, as it will help exhale the odor along with the coarse salt. And this will be great, and at the end of the video, I'll show you where to use each one. In this one, I'm going to add fabric softener, it will smell really good too. I'm just going to put it here, half a cap. And you can also use a fabric softener of your choice. And in this last little pot, I'm going to put Indian cloves, because in addition to having a good lemon smell, the cloves will help it scare away mosquitoes. And our homemade scents are ready. Now you can put it at home, and in the first small pot, we just put the alcohol and vinegar. If you like a more citrusy scent, smell lemon in your home. You can place it in any room of your house. I really like leaving it in the bathroom because it smells really good. I can leave the little pot with fabric softener in the bedroom and also in the living room because it has a very pleasant and fresh aroma. And the little pot with the cloves scared away the insects. I like to leave it in the kitchen, but you can place it in any room in your house. Do it at home, and I'm sure you will like the result. I will wait for you in the next video. Everyone stays with God.